Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Play Protect on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick
Let's get
reminder.
started. So
If
to
you're
do
using
this,
a
you're going
smart
to go
TV,
over to
Fire
Quick
Stick,
Settings,
or Android TV
and from
device,
there go ahead
I
and
highly
click on the
recommend
All
using a
Settings
VPN.
option.
A VPN
From there,
helps
you want to move
protect your
over to
privacy, secure
where
your
you find
connection, and
apps
keep your personal data safe while
and go
browsing
down
or
to find
streaming.
security.
I
So click
personally
on
recommend
security
NordVPN. It's
and you
fast,
find this toggled
reliable,
on.
and works
So
smoothly with TV
this is Play
devices.
Protect.
I've put a
So
special
Play
link in the
Protect
description
is going
if you want to
to
check it out.
scan the
Do
device
so
and
right
warn you
now.
about harmful
Let's get
apps.
back into the video.
Now, if you're using sideloaded apps, if you're using third-party applications, you may not want to be receiving those notifications because Play Protect is going to flag all of those apps. Now, to remove that possibility of having those constant notifications and maybe even action from Chromecast, you want to click on this and that disables Play Protect. So that's how you turn off Play Protect on Chromecast. And now, if that was useful, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.